Hey everybody, Marjan from Firefly Craft. Today we're doing another fun project. We're personalizing corkboard. Now corkboard can also be made into coasters, but today we're leaving the corkboard as it is. We're going to use it for pictures, and ours is going to be a gift for Grandma. So we've got a cute little decal here that says all you need is love and Grandma, and put it in the middle of our corkboard. We've got the pressure turned down to accommodate for the size of the corkboard, and the temperature turned up to 330, and we cranked up the time as well to 20 seconds. Let's get pressing.